Let us consider the processing as a second example comes along. And the red outline for this example means that it's a negative example. So now the AI agent will try to find a way of specializing the most general model and generalizing the most specialized model in order to account for this negative example. So given this negative example, we want to specialize the most general model so that this negative example is excluded. And yet, each of the specializations is a generalization of this most specific model because this was coming from a positive example. We do want to include this. Let's first specialize in a way so that each specialization is a generalization of this model. There are 4 ways of doing it because there are 4 slots here. The first slot here deals with the name of the restaurant, like Sam's or Kim's. One specialization of this most general concept is to put the name of an actual restaurant there. This is a generalization of this concept because this was referring to one specific meal at Sam's. This is referring to any meal at Sam's. In a similar way, I can specialize the filler at the second slot. Instead of having any meal, I can make it a breakfast meal. This is a specialization of this most general concept that is a generalization of this concept because this refers to breakfast at any place. This refers to breakfast at Sam's on Friday and so on. Similarly for the third slot and the fourth slot in this most general concept. Now I must look at these specializations of the most general concept and ask which one of them should I prune so as to exclude the negative example. I notice that Sam's doesn't match Kim's, so this is already excluded insofar as this concept is concerned. Breakfast doesn't match lunch, so this example is already excluded insofar as this concept is concerned. However, this conceptual characterization admits this negative example. Therefore, I must prune it. So we prune away that particular conceptual characterization, and now we are left with 3 specializations of the most general model.